Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about perception bias and how this is affecting your marketing. I want to talk about something that a lot of people try especially when they're starting out in business or when they're trying to educate themselves about business. They go to YouTube. And the problem with watching YouTube videos and then trying to implement the marketing techniques that you see online in your own business is often doomed to fail. And the number one reason for this to happen is a perception bias. Now, what is a perception bias, you might wonder? Let me show you 3 examples. Number 1, let me know in the comments which of the lines is longer, A or B. Take your time. Okay, next one. Let me know which of the 2 squares on checkerboard is darker, A or B. And now the last one. Let me know if the line is straight or crooked. Now, this is I picked this up for a reason. Those are 3 optical illusions. And to show you how you probably saw this the wrong way, let me show you the solution. Now, the lines are perfectly identical in length. And the checker square are perfectly identical in color. And the lines are perfectly straight. And the reason why you're perceiving this the wrong way is your brain is tricking you. It will take information that might sense in a 3D environment and is projecting them on a 2D surface, and it will miscalculate the color and the length and the crookedness, how it's perceived based on pattern. Now the same thing happens online. When you're looking at something educational and you're trying to learn something, there is a lot of similar perception biases in your brain. Those are often based on past knowledge, on old core beliefs, on how you have learned this, on how it was done for a really long time, in the limited amount of understanding that you have in the marketing field, limited experience. You might see something, you might pick something up, you think that's it, but it's not. It's something completely else, and you're not able to figure out what it is that makes all the difference between something that's working really well and something that's completely unworkable. So now in my work, when I work with clients and I help them to develop a marketing strategy, one of the major work parts that I do is basically breaking down someone's belief sets. This is often one of the things that stands between implementing a marketing plan with success and having a marketing plan, trying it out, not understanding what's going on, and then failing at it. This is really the difference. You can spend so much money on developing the perfect marketing plan, but if you don't understand, if you can't see past beyond your own limitations, past your own perception biases, and you're not able to break through to those, you will not be able to understand the plan. You will not know exactly what to implement, and you won't be able, this is the most important, to see why something is not working, what's happening, and to measure and track and then to make adjustments based on your observations and the results you're getting, so you can make data-driven decisions. This is only possible if you have the least amount of cognitive bias when you're working on a marketing plan. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of cognitive perception bias? Have you seen this before in the marketing space, in the business world, in your personal life? And make sure that you hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get more videos like this in your inbox.